So over here you can see that I have a new blank form, and if I want to go ahead and add in elements and edit them, over here from the left hand side, let me just go ahead and bring in this full name section. You can see that this is what you have. You got the first name and last name section, and if you want to edit these out, you can simply go ahead and type in whatever you want. You can even go to the properties for this particular form element right here, and then go ahead and change out the looks for it. So basically you can see the sub labels right here as first name and last name. You can go ahead and change them out as well. So whatever element you bring, let's say for example, if I were to bring in time over here from the left hand side, you can drag it and you can click on the properties to go ahead and change out how this form element actually looks. So that is how you can go ahead and add and edit out form fields as you like inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.